Hey my beautiful people, welcome to another travel video. In this video, I'll show you guys the mesmerizing beauty of Yumthang Valley, which is located in North Sikkim. My journey started from Gangtok, and to reach Yumthang, you need to first reach at Lachung, which is 115 kilometers from Gangtok. Lachung to Yumthang is 25 kilometers, and it will take 1.5 hours to reach Sikkim Valley of Flowers, Yumthang Valley. Beauty of Yumthang Valley does not lie only in the valleys, but the journey from Lachung to Yumthang. Surrounded by pine, fir, and other mountain trees, the spectacular beauty of this road journey will fill your heart with adventure and joy. People who love mountains, this place is a must visit. The wind in the mountains, the smell of the snow, the trees will captivate your mind, your heart, and your soul.
So yes, I'm finally in Yumthang Valley right now, and well, it's pretty cold here too. And though it's not full of snow right now, because it will take around December end or January to have this valley full of snow. But yes, I have seen snow all the way around coming to this place, cotton balls, like cotton on the trees. It looked like that. So yes, this is Yumthang Valley. I'm sitting right now just on the Yumthang Valley. It's super chill, super cool, and of course it's so thrilling. And you can see behind me the entire mountains, which is absolutely gorgeous. Though there's no snow right now, to get the snow I have to go to 0 point, but I have decided not to go to 0 point because I have got already a lot of snow on Kalapathar on my way from Gurudongmar. And yes, so right now I might have a cup of coffee here in Yumthang Valley. end of my journey, because tomorrow I'll head towards Gangtok and then to Siliguri and then to Kolkata back. But all I can say is that throughout my journey I had a beautiful experience, and which will stay with me throughout my life. So that's it, signing off from all the way from Yumthang Valley.
So that was my amazing journey to Yumthang Valley, the Sikkim Valley of Flowers. Do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. If you enjoyed watching, give this video a big thumbs up. And to watch more such videos, press the red subscribe button below and the red button to stay updated every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye bye.